Hello my friend, and this time I will show you about these indoor antennas, and if you have a very bad picture on your TV, how to get it better with these antennas and which one of these is the best. If you are, for example, watching football game and if the picture is not good, then it's really disturbing, and if something is happening on the field and there's a great situation, their players are playing, and then the picture is not good, and then you have a problem with your antenna, and you can solve these problems with indoor antenna and also with these antenna amplifiers. But which one of these is the best one, and what is the best solution to get a good picture to your TV? That I will show you next, my friend, and this is user experience. I have used all these antennas, these indoor antennas, and there is one which is really good of them, and I will show that in this video next, my friend. So let's continue, my friend. Okay, and here I have this first one, and this is this Philips indoor antenna, and there you can put this power cable, and there this antenna cable, and there is inside this antenna there is an amplifier, and you can adjust it from here. And actually I have broken this antenna. You can see what it looks inside, and inside it is like this. There is some equipment, and I have used this, but I think this one is just an ordinary, and it's not very special, and I think you can choose this if you want, but I don't recommend on this video this one. It's okay, but not really something special. It's alright, okay. And then there is this one. This is, you can see, this is one antenna. This trademark is one, and this is also okay. I have used this one, and also this one was not really something very special. It was okay. And there is here is this antenna cable, and this goes to TV, and here is this power, and here is this switch, and this is that kind of thing, but this is not really something really special, but it's okay indoor antenna. But with this I had also I had some problems with picture with this one. Okay, there is just this power, and here I have this amplifier. This is a little amplifier. Here is this power cable. Alright, and this antenna cable goes here from here, and this is okay. Also it really, this amplifies a little bit that signal, and it's a little bit better if you use this, but this was just an ordinary one. And then what I have here, actually this one is a one amplifier, one for all, and actually I haven't tested this, and this can be maybe okay. You need to test this yourself if you want. This costs only $20 or with 20 euros. This is really cheap. It amplifies, and there is power switch, and you just connect this, and here are those antenna cable places, and okay. But I haven't tested. But what next? This is very important information. I really recommend this one. This is Netso. What is this? Netso. This is some kind of Netso. But actually I don't know. Nedis. Actually this is, and this is Nedis. Really, this is Nedis. Okay, my friend, and this Nedis. Here I have this Nedis, and I think this is a really good antenna, and I recommend this because I have tested this one, and this is the best for my purposes, because The picture was always really good and it got a great signal to my TV, and you use it like this. You put this antenna cable there, and then you have, here is this little amplifier, and then you put this cable to your TV, and then this power cable, you put it you put it power supply here, and that cable you put it here, and then this cable to your TV, and you use it in this, like this position, and it can be like this one, and for some reason or another this gives the best picture, and this is my user experience, and that is why I recommend this antenna for you, my friend, if you have some problems with your TV and your picture, and for example if you are watching, for example, those football matches, then this antenna is really the best antenna for you, my friend. And that was my information this time. See you on the next video, and have a nice day, and also night and morning, my friend. See you. Goodbye.